The month of November has not really been particularly great for the crypto space. Everything has been a little red, just like the color of my cap. But I've got some really interesting news that could potentially flip the entire narrative and could make you a whole lot of money before November ends. Stick around and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, welcome to the Investors Den. My name is Mr. T. In this video, I'm going to be exposing you to a huge opportunity in the month of November. I'm actually really excited about this one. But before I get deep into it, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. And you also want to turn on the notification bell because some of the things that I post are really time sensitive. And if you're late to the party, you might miss out. Also, don't forget to smash up the like button as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. So real quick, let me get into it. This asset that you see here is called Cardano and happens to be one of my favorite crypto assets. And at the moment, it has been on a downtrend right now, which makes it a little bit unattractive to a couple of people. But something really interesting is going on with this asset. Every now and then, the CEO of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, always updates the Cardano community on what's going on with this particular asset. And recently, he made an announcement on one of his YouTube videos, and he was talking about what is about to happen with this particular asset. And there was a huge announcement. Apparently, Cardano is going to get listed on one of the biggest exchanges in the whole of Europe. So this article reads that why two upcoming major events could propel Cardano price to revisit all-time highs. Cardano price could rally on its listing on Europe's largest crypto exchange later this week. As you can see, this article was published only yesterday, so it's actually very fresh. So if you appreciate the fact that I'm bringing this to you pretty early, please smash on that like button and click on the subscribe button too. So what we have here is actually a liquidity event, and what this means is that Cardano is actually being exposed to more people. People in the whole of Europe will now be able to purchase this asset, and that is eventually a very good thing. Going here to the Cardano chart, you can see here that it has actually been on a bit of a downtrend. From its previous all-time highs, Cardano is currently at about a 42% discount, which means that there is a huge opportunity. If you just buy this asset at this point in time, let's say you buy it from here and it rallies all the way to previous all-time highs, that's already about 75% in profits. And of course, I don't think that this is going to end here. Typically for Cardano, from historical price actions, you can see that whenever Cardano reaches new all-time highs, it's most likely is going to break above it, even though we get a little bit of corrections. So let's say from where it was before on previous all-time highs, it went further higher by 25%. So calculating from where we hit the most recent all-time highs was 25% from here. 25% from here puts us at around $3.8. So calculating from where we are now, if we go all the way from here all the way to $3.8, that's over 116% in profits. And I think this is actually going to happen. The last time there was a huge liquidity event like this, which when Cardano got listed on Coinbase, there was a situation of buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. But I don't think that's going to happen now, because that time we were already told the dates, so people were buying in anticipation for the exact dates, and when it was actually listed, a lot of people sold out. But I don't think that's what's going to happen right now. At this point, we have not seen any upwards movement for Cardano. As a matter of fact, people have really been selling on this asset, but smart money honestly does not sell in red. Smart money buys in the red and sell in green. So the liquidity event is not the only thing that is coming to Cardano. They also said that there will be other announcements on the 25th of November. So later this week, on the 25th of November, Impulse Output, the development team behind Cardano blockchain, will be hosting the Cardano 360 November edition, where key developments and updates and news will be announced. The core team behind the protocol, as well as the guests across the ecosystem, will share updates on the third generation blockchain. It's absolutely mind-blowing what Cardano is about to do, and I'm thinking about trading this particular asset. If you want to trade with me, you can go ahead and check the description below. You join in my Telegram community. It's absolutely free, and I'll be making some really interesting trade calls there, so you can go ahead and check the link in the description below. Remember something, guys, you want to have two types of portfolios. You want to have your trading portfolio and your investment portfolio. Cardano is a long-term investment, so you want to keep it for a long term. But if you're trading, that means you want to make money in the short term. You always want to have two portfolios, all right? So with that being said, if you appreciate this piece of information, kindly smash up that like button, and of course click on that subscribe button too. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.